Well, got down here to feed the Clydesdales and got a whole bunch of geese down here just chilling out. Got the baby geese back here with the mom and daddy. Then we got the tame geese. Then we got a whole bunch of Canadian wild geese. But then we got Sully here, Cassie, Demi, Ollie, and the two little ducks. Oh, I hear Bailey back here crying. She wants a little breakfast. Someone yesterday said it was a shame that we had the Clydes and the donkeys separated. Well, they're not separated. Just that the Clydes, when they run through the field or walk through the field, it takes the donkeys 3 steps for every one of theirs. So we don't keep these donkeys segregated from the Clydesdales. They're all part of the same pack.